Hello, you guys, and welcome back. I'm so thrilled to have you join me for another exciting beauty adventure. Get ready to unleash your inner radiance and explore the transformative world of makeup. Today, we're diving into glam, a world of shimmer, shine, and self-expression. We're talking fast and easy glam, because who has hours to spend on makeup every day? This is about creating a look that's not only beautiful, but also powerful. Glam doesn't have to be intimidating or time-consuming. It can be fun, approachable, and totally achievable. We're creating a stunning look that will turn heads and boost your confidence. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, those just starting their makeup journey, or anyone wanting a quick confidence boost to conquer the day. Here's my bare face, a clean slate ready for some magic. Consider this our beautiful blank canvas, ready to be transformed. Today isn't about hiding, masking, or covering up. It's about revealing your inner superstar and letting your personality shine. The ultimate goal? Confidence. I want you to feel absolutely unstoppable and ready to take on the world after this. We'll break down every single step, making it super easy to follow along. We'll start from a flawless base, creating the perfect canvas for the rest of the look, and we'll finish with bouncy curls that add a touch of glamour and fun. You don't need 100 products to achieve this look. Less is often more. All you need is just a little guidance and a whole lot of belief in yourself. Remember, makeup has no rules. Use colors you absolutely love and that make you feel amazing. Don't be afraid to add glitter, because a little sparkle never hurt anyone. Ultimately, make it yours. My steps are just a guide, a starting point for your own creativity. So, have fun, experiment, and enjoy the transformation. Let's turn up the music, get those brushes ready, and unleash the incredible power of makeup to make you feel confident and radiant. Let's do this! Let's start with the base. Primer first. It smooths, fills pores, and helps makeup last. I'm using a hydrating, illuminating primer for that glow from within look. Next, a medium to full coverage foundation, dotted and blended with a damp sponge for a seamless finish. Blend down your neck for a perfect match. Concealer time. Use a lighter shade under eyes, down the nose, chin, and forehead to brighten and lift. Blend it all out. Instant refresh. Set everything with a fine, translucent powder, focusing on the T-zone. Lightly dust the rest of your face to keep the glow. Our canvas is prepped and perfect. This base is the foundation for all the glam to come. Simple, quick, and flawless. Ready for the next step? Let's move on. Alright, it's time to move on to the eyes. This is where the magic truly happens. Today, we're creating a simple yet undeniably glamorous smoky eye. It's a classic for a reason, and we're going to show you how to achieve it with ease. First things first, prime those lids with a concealer. This creates a smooth canvas and helps the eyeshadow adhere better. Now, set the concealer with a powder. This step is crucial to prevent creasing and ensure a flawless application. A light dusting will do the trick. Next, take a fluffy brush and sweep a warm brown eyeshadow into the crease. This will serve as your transition shade, blending seamlessly into your skin tone. Build up the color gradually for a soft, diffused effect. Now pack a deep brown eyeshadow onto the lid. Or, for a bolder look, use a soft black eyeshadow on the lid, making sure to stay below the crease. This will add depth and intensity to the smoky eye. Now for the most important part, blending. Use a clean blending brush to blend out the edges of the dark shadow. We want to avoid any harsh lines and create a seamless transition. To add dimension and make the eyes pop, press a shimmery champagne shadow onto the center of the lid. This will catch the light and create a beautiful, eye-catching effect. Don't forget to add a touch of shimmer to the inner corners of the eyes to brighten them up. This little trick makes a huge difference. Next, line the upper lash line with a black gel liner. Create a thin, subtle wing for a touch of elegance. You can adjust the thickness and length of the wing to suit your preference. Curl your lashes to open up the eyes. Then apply a generous coat of volumizing mascara to both the upper and lower lashes. For extra drama and a truly glamorous look, pop on a pair of false lashes. Choose a style that complements your eye shape and desired level of intensity. And there you have it. This smoky eye is incredibly easy to achieve, surprisingly quick, and instantly makes your eyes pop. The best part is, you don't need a ton of products to create this look. It's all about strategic placement, seamless blending, and a touch of shine. With the eyes done, we're one step closer to completing the entire look. Now let's move on to hair. Let's give our hair some love with big, easy curls. Start with dry, heat-protected hair. Use a large curling iron for soft, bouncy waves. Section hair, curl away from your face and leave the ends out for a modern look. Hold each curl for a few seconds, then let it cool in your hand. Repeat all over. Don't stress about perfection. Once cool, flip your head and run your fingers through to break up the curls. This creates volume and effortless movement. Finish with a light mist of flexible hairspray. The result: chic, touchable waves. Hair's done. Let's add the final touches. Ready for the reveal? Final touches, the culmination of artistry and precision. We're putting the final polish on this already stunning look. It's all about those little details that elevate everything. A sweep of bronzer, adding warmth and dimension to the face. We're sculpting those cheekbones, creating a sun-kissed glow that radiates confidence. A pop of blush, bringing life and vibrancy to the complexion. A touch of color to brighten the face and add a youthful flush. And a classic nude lip. Timeless, elegant, and versatile. It's the perfect complement to any makeup look, adding a touch of sophistication. Line lips for definition, creating a perfect shape and preventing feathering. This is the secret to a long-lasting and flawless lip look. Fill with creamy nude lipstick for a smooth and luscious pout. The creamy texture ensures comfortable wear and a beautiful, even finish, and dab gloss in the center. This adds dimension and shine, making the lips appear fuller and more kissable. Highlighter time, sweep it on cheekbones, catching the light and creating a radiant glow. This is where the magic happens, enhancing your natural features. Nose, to create the illusion of a slimmer, more defined bridge. A subtle touch that makes a big difference. Brow bone, lifting the eyes and creating a more youthful appearance. It's all about strategically placing the light. And Cupid's bow, accentuating the shape of the lips and making them appear fuller. For that goddess glow, a luminous, ethereal radiance that turns heads and exudes confidence. Take a look at the transformation, the power of makeup to enhance and empower. Same person, but confidence shining through. It's not just about the makeup, it's about how it makes you feel. Flawless skin, the canvas for our masterpiece. Smoky eyes, adding drama and allure. Bouncy curls, the perfect finishing touch. It all comes together, a harmonious blend of artistry and self-expression. I feel incredible, and you can too. Unleash your inner power and embrace your unique beauty. Try this look and feel the transformation for yourself. Experiment, play, and discover the magic of makeup. Remember, you control your look. It's your canvas, your rules. Makeup is just a tool for your confidence. Use it to express yourself, enhance your features, and feel your best. Thank you for getting ready with me. It's been a pleasure sharing this beauty journey with you. I hope you feel inspired to play and find your own glam. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try new things. You're a superstar. Shine bright and let your inner beauty radiate. Let it show. Embrace your confidence and show the world what you've got. See you in the next one. Bye. And remember, you are beautiful, inside and out.